Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Muscletech NitroTech Ripped. Mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of cold water, shake for 20 seconds, and drink about 30 minutes before training if you prefer an energy boost. Alternatively, take it right after workouts to support recovery and muscle repair. Adjust serving size and timing based on caffeine sensitivity and your nutrition plan, and always follow the label instructions for safe use. When using NitroTech Ripped, begin with 1 scoop to evaluate how your body reacts to the stimulant blend and protein. If tolerated, you can use 1 scoop pre-workout for focus or post-workout for recovery, but avoid stacking multiple stimulant sources. Track overall caffeine from other drinks to prevent jitteriness. Also consider swapping a snack for a serving on training days if it helps you hit daily calorie and protein targets while supporting fat loss goals. Mixing NitroTech Ripped is simple. Pour 1 scoop into 8 to 12 ounces of cold water or low-fat milk, add ice if you like, and shake until smooth. For added calories and taste, blend with a banana or a tablespoon of peanut butter after workouts. Keep hot liquids and long blending times to a minimum to preserve texture and flavor. Clean your shaker promptly to avoid lingering odors and clumps for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.